Welcome to LaSara Medical Group. My name is John Snedegar. I'm the Chief of Operations here at the practice. Men's sexual health has been one of our main categories of medicine, and it's what we got started in 2017 when we first opened our doors. Our most popular treatment is called Focused Shockwave Therapy, and if your ultimate goal is to restore your natural ability to achieve erections and regain the spontaneity in the bedroom, shockwave therapy is the treatment for you. The reason men develop erectile dysfunction is their blood vessels begin to close down, harden, and fill up with plaque, stopping blood flow from coming into the penis and creating an erection. When you go through a series of treatments using focused shockwave therapy, this treatment stimulates the growth of new blood vessels, creating new pathways for blood flow. It breaks through and eliminates any plaque that exists there today, and it heightens the sensitivity and responsiveness to your nerve endings. The outcome is you can get back to experiencing full, normal, natural erections come about spontaneously and on demand without having to use any sort of medication, whether that be an oral or an injectable medication. Shockwave therapy has been studied since 2010, and it is truly the only research-backed treatment that can fully restore your natural ability to achieve erections. Since 2017, we have completed over 11,000 of these treatments, and we know our protocol is without doubt the best available protocol when using focused shockwave therapy. If this treatment sounds interesting to you, I encourage you to go back to the text message that we sent you when you first submitted your information to our website. There's a link that's provided there that you can schedule a free 30-minute consultation with one of our counselors to explore this treatment, talk about your condition, and determine if this is the best option for you. We look forward to working with you, and thank you for reaching out to us.